Hi everyone, I'm going to be sharing my final research paper with you. My name is Michaela Berneski. My research topic and outline. So my research question that I focused on was my plan to use digital technologies to promote learning in my professional area. And throughout my paper, I discussed the following: benefits of technology, literacy, assessment, communication, special needs, hands-on learning experience, and implications. The reason why I chose this topic is because technology has drastically allowing the way teachers teach and the way students learn to improve. The speed at which technology is developing has flattened the world and played a major role in fostering changes in the educational process, and it is generally accepted that changes in educational technology have greatly influenced the way in which we learn and teach in higher education. So with that being said, the teachers provide curriculum content to students has been changed. So I'm just going to talk about how it has been changed. So some of the benefits of technology is providing a flipped learning environment. So teachers are moving away from teacher-centered learning environment to a student-led learning environment. So a flipped learning is described as a classroom where teachers convert their lectures to videos, slideshows, or audio lessons that can be watched by students at home or elsewhere via the internet or other information transfer schools such as DVD, thumb drives. Therefore, students are learning through a digital platform outside of school as well as in school. Flipped classrooms, students are more generally engaged in the classroom because they're actively working on projects which reinforce course competencies through technology. Another way of this is students are now in lives that have produced entirely differently type of students, so shaping the way they think, learn, and experience the world around them because they are involved in technology at a young age. So it's important for teachers to adjust how they teach to a way that ensures students to understand the curriculum. So literacy. So literacy is a curriculum area I know from personal experience students tend to struggle with if they're having difficulty with reading. So how can you promote literacy through a digital device? Is through Padlet, KidBlock, SchoolTube, Today's Meet, ebook is a form that I personally would like to implement. So ebook, there's one that I would like to have more experience with, and this is called Epic. It's a reading platform that allows books to be discovered, read, and shared with friends. So this encourages students to read based on their own interests. Students in my classroom can be involved in learning how to read while having fun on a digital tool. Assessment, these three different forms of assessment for learning, as learning, and of learning. So there's one piece digital tool that I plan on using and have used. It's called Kahoot. So it's a popular game-based learning platform where teachers display questions on the screen, then students log into a system with their own device or in teams and answer them. Stated by Guardo and Nordegen, recently the use of technology to include gamification features have grown in popularity, particularly in education, as a way to increase engagement and motivation. So this will make students think of it more as a game and less of a quiz. So communication. So it's one important aspect of creating a classroom environment is having parents, guardians involvement through the school year. So one way you can do this is through the following programs such as Seesaw, Remind, SignUp.com, and S'more. So they're all different forms of communication platforms that can be used when trying to connect with the parents. Special needs. So implementing a variety of digital platforms allows all students to learn according to their abilities. So there's no tech, low tech, mid tech, and high tech. And there's also PECs. So through these forms of assistive technologies, it allows students to be involved in learning experiences that best suit their needs and abilities. And providing the students with hands-on learning experience. So mainly we learned about in this course was Makerspace, which I also found very interesting. So Makerspace provides 9 key ideas, and they are make, share, give, learn, tool up, play, participate, support, and change. So through Makerspace, students are given many different learning opportunities and experiences that promote exploration and learning. It just provides students with endless opportunities of learning and ideas. So some of the implications of technology are support, money, and social media. So depending on the technical support in your school, it may become a problem. Money is also a huge disadvantage in some areas, especially low-income households. This may put a gap in the school and barrier to their social interaction at school, depending on the students. And social media. So we have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and YouTube. So students may become distracted in the classroom and less engaged in their work when allowing these devices in the classroom. These are just a few of the key points that are provided throughout my paper. I hope you enjoyed learning more about applications that can be used and how we can use them in the classroom. Thank you.